Not every park is quiet. And not every theatre is surrounded by the walls of the Niagara Gorge. Perched along the gorge in Lewiston, New York, Artpark State Park is more than just a concert venue or a state park. It's a place where nature, history, and creativity all collide in one dramatic landscape. Long before crowds gathered here for music and performances, these cliffs overlooked one of the most important transportation routes in North America. The Niagara River carried travelers, trade, and industry through this region for centuries, while the steep gorge walls reminded everyone just how powerful nature could be. But in the 1970s, New York State had a different vision for this land. Instead of factories or heavy development, this stretch of the gorge became something unusual. A park dedicated to the arts, a place where theatre, sculpture, music, dance, and nature could all exist side by side. As you walk through Artpark today, you move between worlds. One moment you're surrounded by wooded trails and views of the Niagara Gorge, and the next you're standing beside massive performance spaces that have hosted generations of musicians and artists. The natural setting almost becomes part of the performance itself. Even when no concerts are happening, there's still something theatrical about the place. The wooden stairways, the open lawns, the river below, the feeling that every corner was designed to make people stop and look around for a moment. It feels less like a traditional park, and more like a stage carved directly into the landscape. And maybe that's what makes Artpark special. It isn't trying to separate art from the world around it. It blends them together. The history between steps. Thank you for taking a step with me.